Okay, question 4 is an implicit equation, and this is we're looking for the equation of the normal. So we're going to go and work out the dy by dx by doing implicit differentiation on this. So we've got x cubed plus 4x squared y plus y cubed equals 6. So we're going to differentiate each term with respect to x. X cubed differentiates to 3x squared. This, we're going to use the product rule. We're going to differentiate this first and leave this alone. So that's going to be 8xy. And then I'm going to leave this alone, 4x squared, and differentiate y. And when we differentiate a y with respect to x, we get dy by dx. And then for this, y cubed, if we differentiate y cubed, we get it with respect to x. So we're going to pretend this y is in x. So we would get 3x squared. So we're going to write 3y squared. But then we're going to times by the differential of y, because we pretended it was an x, which again is dy by dx. That's going to equal 0, because the 6 is a constant. So what we can now do is take those two terms that have got the dy by dx in them, so the 4x squared dy by dx and the 3y squared dy by dx, and factorise the dy by dx out of those two. So we have this. We've still got the 3x squared and the 8xy, but I'm going to also, at the same time, move those to the left of the equation, the right side of the equation. So I've got minus 3x squared minus 8xy, and therefore dy by dx, I can now get rid of this to the right hand side to leave dy by dx on its own by dividing by that bracket. So minus 3x squared minus 8xy over 4x squared plus 3y squared. So that's what we get when we differentiate. The question actually wants us to find the equation of the normal at the point 1, 1. So if we find the gradient of the tangent at 1, 1 by substituting 1, 1 into here, so that will be minus 3 minus 8 over 4 plus 3. So that's minus 11 over 7. That's the gradient of the tangent. So the gradient of the normal at 1, 1 will be the negative reciprocal of this, so 7/11. Then we can use our y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, using 1, 1 and 7/11 to get the equation of that line. It says give it in a form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are integers. So the first thing I'm going to do is times everything by 11. Multiply these brackets out on the right. And then I like my leading term to be positive, so I'm going to move everything to the right. So that's going to be 7x minus 11y and plus 4. That's going to equal 0.